How to activate Holafly eSIM. Holafly is a company that provides international eSIM solutions for travelers, offering unlimited data plans in over 200 destinations without roaming charges. They focus on being carbon neutral. Go back to Settings and then Cellular. Select your Holafly eSIM, activate this line, and data roaming. Go back to Cellular and make sure that your Holafly line is selected as default for cellular data. If your plan includes calls, go to Default Voice Line. And select Holafly as your default line to make and receive calls. And that's it, your Holafly eSIM is now active. Thanks for watching.